Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to Hayah's Hive. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing delicious shawarma at home. So let's get started. First we need to marinate the chicken. For marinating the chicken you will need soy sauce 2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of Arabic masala, a pinch of salt. Make sure to put the correct amount of salt because the soy sauce will also be salty, and half teaspoon of oregano and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Now for the filling we will need cabbage. Cut it in half and then cut it in this way. So after you're done, it should look like this. Now we're going to add it to a bowl. Next we need cucumbers. I have taken 1 cucumber and I cut it into pieces like this. And now I'm adding it to the bowl. Next we need tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes like this. Remove the center part like this. And after you're done, add it to the bowl. Next, I'm going to add cucumber pickles. It's optional, but to get that real restaurant taste, you can add pickles. So you can make these cucumber pickles at home by adding some cucumbers in vinegar and water and waiting for them for about 2 to 3 days. But I bought mine from the supermarket. And after cutting them, add that in the bowl as well. I've added a little more chopped cabbage, and now this part of the filling is done. Now back to the chicken. It has marinated well. Now we're going to fry it. Add oil to your pan and wait for it to get heated. Now add the chicken and fry it well. After one side is done, flip it over and let it fry. So our chicken is fried and this is how it looks. Now fry the rest. I finished frying all the chicken. Other than the chicken and the filling, we also need French fries. So, take a pan and pour some oil in it and heat it up and fry some French fries. The French fries are ready. Before we continue, if you like this video, please press the like button, press the subscribe button, and press the bell next to it, and select all. Now back to the video. For shawarma we need garlic sauce, and that is why we're going to make garlic. For garlic you need 3 cloves of garlic. Crush it up like this. Then add it to your blender. Next add the whites of 3 eggs. Don't add the yolks. So when adding the eggs, you have to separate it like this and then add the whites only. So I'm adding all the eggs. And next, we need to add lemon juice. I'm adding the juice of 1 lemon. Take out the seeds and add it to the blender. Next, add some salt and add about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Now blend this well. This is what it looks like after blending. Next, add in 2 to 3 ice cubes. This is so that you can make it thick. Now add vinegar. You can also add lemon instead of vinegar. Now I'm just going to blend this. Next, you need any type of vegetable oil. I'm going to use sunflower oil, and it's best to avoid coconut oil. Now, add your sunflower oil. You can add around as much as in this cup, but you have to keep adding oil until it gets thick. We want the garlic to be very thick, so blend it well and add more oil. Now I'm done making the garlic, and this is how it looks. This is the correct consistency for the garlic. So when the garlic is this consistency, you can stop adding the oil. Here is the final garlic. I've just transferred it to a bowl. So along with the garlic paste, you can also have tahini paste in the shawarma. But as this is an easy version of the shawarma, we're not going to use tahini paste. You can make tahini paste if you want. So now we will add the garlic to the filling and mix it well. Now the filling is ready. Now take some kuboos or pita bread and cut it like this. Don't cut it all the way. Keep it on some butter paper. The butter paper helps us to roll up the shawarma easily. Now apply some garlic on both sides. Next, add the filling, the chicken, as well as the french fries. You can add as much as you want, but keep it in the middle. Don't spread it around too much, because otherwise we will not be able to fold the shawarma properly. Now, fold it like this and roll it like this. Since I laid it on butter paper, I can easily fold it like this. Fold in the sides in this way. So instead of kuboos or pita bread, you can also use tortilla. So I'm also going to show you how to do it with tortilla. First, I'm just heating it up on a pan on the stove. And this is how it looks. You can also do this in an oven. Take the tortilla on a plate, keep it inside the oven and set it to 1 minute. So now I'm going to remake the shawarma with tortilla. So first, spread the garlic on the tortilla. Next, add the filling. Add the chicken, the fries, and fold it like this. And now our shawarma is ready. I made one with pita bread or kuboos as well as tortilla. It's very easy to make at home and it was delicious. So I recommend that everyone tries this recipe. Here are some photos of the shawarma. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye.